Imagine a force so powerful, it mirrors our spiritual selves and guides us through life's mysteries. Water is more than a natural resource. It's a profound symbol of purity, life, and renewal. For centuries, cultures around the world have revered water, seeing it as a bridge to the subconscious mind and the flow of emotions. It holds memories, both personal and ancestral, echoing the collective experiences that shape us. At its core, water is the foundation of life, existing in every living cell and sustaining ecosystems. But its significance extends beyond the physical realm, embodying unity and interconnectedness. One of the most revered aspects of water is its ability to purify. In many spiritual traditions, water cleanses the body and spirit, washing away negativity and bringing clarity to the mind. Consider the ancient ritual of bathing in sacred rivers or standing under a waterfall. This symbolic surrender to nature's force allows us to emerge renewed and reconnected, welcoming growth and personal transformation. Water teaches us the beauty of fluidity and surrender. It flows effortlessly, adapting to any obstacle, reminding us to trust our life journey and navigate challenges with resilience. As water flows around obstacles, we too can navigate life's challenges, finding new perspectives and solutions that align with our spiritual growth. This dynamic engagement with life's challenges helps us evolve. Water is often seen as a gateway to intuition and the emotional realms. Meditative practices near water can bring clarity to our minds, helping us access our deepest emotions and trust our feelings. Embracing water's spiritual lessons in daily life invites us to embody its qualities. Through mindful meditation, cleansing rituals, or simply spending time by water sources, we become more attuned to our true nature. To engage with water spiritually is to recognize its power to shape, heal, and connect. Let water inspire you to live with fluidity, awareness, and purpose, embracing each wave as part of the journey. Water is more than a natural resource. It mirrors our spiritual selves. It also serves as a profound guide to understanding life's mysteries. For centuries, cultures around the world have revered water as a symbol of purity, life, intuition, and renewal. This powerful element is part of spiritual philosophies. It offers insights into the rhythms of existence. It also reveals the depths of emotion and the journey of the soul. Let's delve into the spiritual dimensions of water. We will explore how it resonates within our lives. It helps us flow, adapt, and embrace transformation. The essence of water, a universal force at its core. Water is the foundation of life. It exists in every living cell, sustains ecosystems, and nurtures our bodies. Yet water's significance extends beyond the physical realm. It also has a powerful, energetic, and spiritual essence. Water embodies unity. It blends individual droplets into rivers, lakes, and oceans. This is a potent reminder of interconnectedness and the oneness of all creation. In many spiritual teachings, water symbolizes the subconscious mind and the flow of emotions. It holds memories, both personal and ancestral, echoing the collective experiences that shape us. When we engage with water mindfully, we tap into its wisdom. Purification and renewal. The healing properties of water. One of the most revered aspects of water is its ability to purify. In many spiritual traditions, water cleanses the body. It also cleanses the spirit, washing away negativity. This purifying nature reflects our potential to cleanse our thoughts, letting go of limiting beliefs and negativity. This process brings clarity to the mind. Consider the ancient ritual of bathing in sacred rivers, or even the simple act of standing under a waterfall. The process is symbolic, a surrender to nature's force that allows us to emerge renewed and reconnected. By immersing ourselves in the energy of water, we welcome growth, personal transformation, and healing. The flow of life. Lessons from water's path. Water teaches us the beauty of fluidity and surrender. It flows effortlessly and adapts to any obstacle. Whether it needs to carve a new path through mountains or cascade over rocks, it remains flexible. This flexibility is a reminder to trust our life journey, embrace change, and navigate challenges with resilience. As water flows around obstacles, we can navigate life's challenges. We can learn from water's adaptability. This process helps us find new perspectives and solutions. These align with our spiritual growth. This is not passive acceptance. Instead, it is a dynamic engagement with life's challenges. We trust that, like water, we too can shape our path and evolve. The depths of emotion. Water as a gateway to intuition. Water is often seen as a bridge to the intuitive and emotional realms. Just as water flows into unseen depths, it invites us to explore our inner world. It encourages us to trust our feelings and to listen to the subtle whispers of our intuition. Meditative practices near water can bring clarity to our minds. Whether sitting by the ocean, a river, or a quiet lake, these practices help us access our deepest emotions. When we honor water's connection to our emotions, we become more aware of the ebb and flow within us. We recognize the tides of joy, sorrow, peace, and tension. It encourages us to embrace these experiences fully, recognizing their purpose in our growth. Embracing water's spiritual lessons in daily life. Water's spiritual meaning invites us to embody its qualities in our daily life. We can incorporate practices that mirror water's essence. These include mindful meditation, cleansing rituals, or simply spending time by water sources. Through these practices, we become more attuned to our true nature. Embracing water's teachings can remind us to flow with grace. They encourage us to accept change and nurture a sense of inner peace. We can also develop a feeling of connectedness. Becoming one with water's wisdom, to engage with water spiritually, is to recognize its power to shape, heal, and connect. It teaches us to flow harmoniously with life, embracing both its calm moments and its turbulence. Water's spiritual meaning is a call to balance, to cleanse, and to listen to the quiet wisdom within. When you meet a stream, a lake, or even a simple glass of water, take a moment. Honor its presence. It's a gentle reminder of the boundless nature of the soul and the interconnectedness of all things. Let water inspire you to live with fluidity, awareness, and purpose, embracing each wave as part of the journey.